Welcome to Left-Handed Locksport. I'm the EJM3, and this is the Lockpicking Advent Calendar Day 2. If you don't know what this is all about, please see the description below, and we have a great introduction video to this entire month. Basically, we are pinning up a lock and picking it every single day for an entire month, starting off easy with one standard pin in a random chamber each day for the first 6 days. This is to promote Locksport, grow the community, and have fun while we're doing it. On day 1, we pinned up chamber 4, and on day 2, our random number generator says we are pinning up chamber 1. So I'm going to get this all pinned up, fast forward through the entire thing, and I'll see you on the other side. And there we go, all pinned up. You remember this key from my introduction video. Will it work? Yes, it does. So, I'm going to do top of the keyway tension. We got 4 and 1. So back to front, we're going to find 4. Got to click off of 1 and 4. There you have it. Day 2 done. 2 of 31. Starting off easy. But I hope you are enjoying these videos. I hope you're enjoying this month more. If you have a video to submit, please post it in the comments. I'll add it to the playlist. If you like this, like the month, please let me know. And subscribe to my channel. Also, click here to see the introduction video, and click here to see the entire playlist of all of the videos for the entire month. I guess that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.